Ryan with Geek here, and today what we're looking at is some NanoVNA test boards, kits that you can purchase online for $5 to $10 depending on where you find it and how many you buy. And I was going to do a build video on these. I even started one and started editing it and stuff, but it was really super boring. So I'm just going to kind of go over the highlights. So this board is designed so that you can test with Smd components or with a breadboard right here. And so this breadboard uses machine pins, and it's got a pattern underneath it that you can kind of see here, it's got a pattern, and you can look online and find the pattern too, so that you can build filters and test crystals and do whatever with your NanoVNA. So here's the in, here's the out, and then it comes with some Smd components. I put there 50 ohm resistors. I put one here so you can go across this input with 50 ohms, and I put one right here so that you have 50 ohm load, and I put this one is wide open. So in fact, if we really could put a dead short across these right here, across for this one, and then that would pretty much, you wouldn't need the test bits that come with the NanoVNA. But I built 3 of these, and the main tip here is when you go to put these in, these pins, put them all in, cut them down to size. It's a 7x7 grid, so cut them down to 7 each, and then put something over it, and then flip it, and then solder them on. And for these guys, these require a bit more work. I held the iron down on its highest setting for about 30 seconds, and then I started soldering. And that, and then the first pin, or the first side, about 30 seconds, the second one about 10 seconds, and then when I flipped it over, about 5 seconds each on the top, and then the middle was real fast because it's not part of a giant heat sink. But there's a trick for these, and that trick is pretty simple. Squeeze. So I took my little pliers here, and I squeezed on these so that they stayed on their own, so that they didn't go flying when I tried to solder them, and that worked out really well. These take about 15-20 minutes to build each. There's a lot of soldering, and there's a lot of waiting for these to get hot enough. As you can see, they're not perfect, they're kind of crooked in spots, but and then they got the standoffs here so that you're not shorting out anything on your bench. Anyway, so just a quick video to show about these things. These are promised to a friend. I'm going to send these off tomorrow, and then I've got 3 more to build for myself. So I'll probably just start with one and see what I need with the rest of them. So anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you later. And coming up soon, we are going to be working on the BitX40 VFO board. That will be hopefully later this week. So that will be for that. Can't wait. All right. Thanks for following. And if you haven't already subscribed, please do so. And it really helps me when you click like on the videos that you like, so that I know what you like and what you don't. No need to click dislike, but if you especially like a video, please click like. Thanks a lot. All right. See you later.